Hello students, I am Shiv Prasad. Welcome in maths class. Students, today we are going to study Maths chapter 12 Algebraic Expressions exercise 12.1. Students, we have already solved question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Now we are going to solve question number 4. Part A. Identify terms which contains x and give the coefficient of x. Okay. Now see the solution. Solution of question number 4, part A. First expression has given y square x plus y. Now terms with x, y square x. Okay. So the coefficient of x is y square. Okay. Coefficient of x, y square. Next expression has given 13y square minus 8yx. Now terms with x is minus 8yx. Okay. Now the coefficient of x is minus 8y. Okay. Next expression has given x plus y plus 2. Okay. Terms with expression with terms with x is x. Now coefficient of x is 1 because 1 is the factor of all variable and constant, so coefficient of x is 1. Next expression 5 plus z plus zx. Terms with x zx. Okay. Now coefficient of x z. Next expression 1 plus x plus xy. Terms with x, first term x and second term xy. Okay. Coefficient of x 1 because 1 is the factor of all variable and constant, and coefficient of x in xy is y. Okay. Next expression 12xy square plus 25. First term 12xy square. Okay. Terms with x. Terms with x means such terms having x. Okay. Such terms having x means 12xy square. Okay. Now coefficient of x 12y square. Next expression has given 7 plus xy square. Now terms with x means such terms having x. Such terms which have x. Okay. Means x y square. Now coefficient of x is y square. Okay. Now part B. Identify terms which contain y square and give the coefficient of y square. First expression is given 8 minus x y square. Okay. Now see the solution. First expression 8 minus x y square. Now terms with y square is minus x y square, means such terms which have x. Okay. So the terms with y square is minus x y square, and coefficient of y square is minus x. Similarly, next expression has given 5y square plus 7x. Terms with y square means such terms having y square. Okay. 5y square. Now coefficient of y square is 5. Next expression has given 2x square y minus 15xy square plus 7y square. Okay. Terms with y square is minus 15xy square first term, and second term 7y square. Now coefficient of y square in 15xy square is minus 15x, and coefficient of y square in 7y square is 7. Okay. Next question, question number 5. Classify into monomial, binomial and trinomial. Students, first of all we have to know what is monomial, what is binomials and what is trinomials. First of all, what is monomials? Such expressions which have only one term is called monomial. Okay. Similarly, binomial, such expressions which have only two terms are called binomials, and such expression which have only three terms 1 2 3 are called trinomials. Okay, now identify binomials, monomials and trinomials. Okay, solution of question number 5. First expression is given 4y minus 7z. Students, you can see here is only two terms 1 2, so it is binomial. Second expression y square, here is only one term, so it is monomial. Next, part 3 has given x plus y minus xy, here is three terms 1 2 3, so it is trinomial. Fourth part has given 100, it is only one term, so it is called monomial. Next, part 5th has given ab minus a minus b, here is 1 2 3 terms, so it is trinomial. And part 6 has given 5 minus 3t, here is two terms 1 2, so it is called binomial. Similarly, you can solve part 7 8 9 10 11, part 7 8 9 10 and 11 as homework. Okay, next question is given question number 6. State whether a given pair of terms is of like or unlike terms. First of all, we have to know about like terms and unlike terms. Okay, students, here is like and unlike terms. The terms having same variable factors are called like terms, and the terms having different variable factors are called unlike terms. Okay, for example, 3xy, 6xy minus 2yx minus 5 by 2 xy are like terms because here is same variable factors xy, 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 xy. So these are like terms. Okay. Similarly, 7x square y square z, 3 by 2 x square y square z minus 5x square y square z are like terms because here is same variable factors x square y square z x square y square z, x square y square z, x square y square z. So these are like terms. Part 3, 3a, 3ab, 5a square b square are unlike terms because here is different variable factors a, ab, a square, b square. So these are unlike terms. Similarly, fourth example, xy, x square y. Here is different variable factors xy and x square y. So these are unlike terms. Okay. Now solution of question number 6, part 1, 1 and 100. These are like terms. Part 2, minus 7x and 5 by 2x, x. So it is like terms. Next, part 3, minus 29x minus 29y. Here is x and y, different variable factors, so these are unlike terms. Part 4, 14xy, 42yx, xy, xy. Okay, these are same variable. Okay, same variable factors xy, xy, so it is like terms. Similarly, you can solve part 5 and 6 as homework. Okay. Next, question number 7 has given identify like terms in the following. Part A has given minus x y square minus 4y x square 8x square 2xy square 7y minus 11x square minus 100x minus 11yx 20x square y minus 6x square y 2xy and 3x. Okay, now see the solution. Solution of question number 7, part A, like terms minus xy square 2xy square. These are like terms xy square xy square. Next like terms minus 4y x square 20x square y. x square y, x square y. Next 8x square minus 11x square, x square and minus 6x square. Next like terms 7y, y. Next minus 100x, 3x, x. Next minus 11yx and 2xy. Okay, xy. Okay. Now part B of question number 7. 10pq, 7p, 8q minus p square q square minus 7qp minus 100q minus 23, 12q square p square minus 5p square, 41, 2405p, 78qp, 13p square q, qp square and 701p square. Now solution of part B. Like terms. First like terms are 10pq and minus 7qp, pq, okay, and 78pq. These are like terms. Next like terms are 7p and 2405p. Next like terms 8q minus 100q, qq. Next minus p square q square, 12q square p square, q square. Okay. Next minus 23, 41. These are like terms. Next minus 5p square, 701 p square, p square. Okay, like terms. Next like terms are 13p square q, qp square, p square q, p square q. These are like terms. Okay, thanks.